All right, welcome back. This is Mr. Williams again with our next lesson, 4.2. You can see it's called compensation, again dealing with double digits. The main idea here is to work on our fluency within that 100 number. It goes right along with the breaking apart our ones into tens, but we're going to do this just a little bit differently. So you can see my first example says 37 plus 25. Again, I tell my kids we're going to make our largest number that we have here into our next group of 10. So 37 is going to be into 40, which means I take a look at this and I'm going to use a 3, and then I have a leftover of 22. You can see here that if I add those two, I get 40. I drop my 22 down into my equation, and very quickly I have tens and ones that pretty much just fall into place there. Sometimes we have drawings that we will do. So if you take a look, here is 37. And then we're adding 25. And the idea, again, if you're using draw, is we're going to take 3 of these cubes. We would move them over here to get this to my 40, my 4 tens here. And then I'm left with my 2 tens here with my 2 ones left over. And again, if I add those together, I would get 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 1, and 62 as my final answer. So again, we'll do another one. Let's say that this is 48. We're going to go with 36. Again, 48 is my largest number, and so I am going to move that to 50, which means, again, I just need a 2, and then I have a leftover of 34. 48 plus 2 is 50. Drop my 34 into my math equation, and you can see right away that I have a very quick count of my tens and ones. Again, if I was drawing it, here is my 48. Here is my 36. I'm going to take 2 of these. I'm going to move them over here to give me my 50 that I was talking about. I am left with my 34. You can see here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it comes out pretty easily with the answer. Again, this concept is working on math fact fluency within that 100 range, also keeping in mind our tens and ones place value. Again, they call it compensation. It's just where we're taking some of our ones and moving it over to make a new group of tens. Thank you. If you have any questions, let me know.